Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Today, let's do the ab series version 1 on your spine corrector using the step and the hump of the spine corrector.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So I'm sure no one else calls that version 1. Who knows what order people want to put these in. It's the ab series on the spine corrector, and there's several different ways. So this is the first version that I like to have people try on. There are going to be 2 other versions, and so I'll explain all of those as we get there. But if you're looking at the OnlinePilatesClasses.com flashcards for the barrels, you'll see we have some different variations of these exercises on here. It's important to note that it wasn't like Joseph Pilates was doing these on here necessarily, but that they are options. And I like to teach them to people because you never know when you're gonna have to do a full workout on a spine corrector. And it's possible that some of these were also given to different people, but we don't have Joe to ask anymore, and every single person had their own practice with him. So at any rate, this is a version 1. Feel free to call it ab series in your practice. And you do is it's similar to the 100 version 1 that I did for this deck. And it's where you put your sacrum on the step and your low ribs are going to probably be on the hump. Okay. So you don't get to lean back here. You're going to help yourself popped up. But what's nice is you kind of get feedback, because if you start to lean back, you start to arch, and we don't want to be doing that in our ab series, right? So your knees come in. My tailbone is off the step. There's a lot of different variations in the spine correctors these days. So it's possible that your step is much lower than the hump, and this might not be ideal, but it's worth trying. So you have one knee in, one leg out. You'll probably have to take your legs higher than normal. You'll pull on this leg, 1, 2, switch the legs 1, 2. If you notice your body starts to arch away from the step on the switch, you're probably taking your legs too low or not pulling that waist in towards that step. Maybe you need to curl up a little bit more, okay? You do your single leg stretch, maybe a double leg stretch. You pull 2 times. You reach the arms and legs away, circle the arms around, pull the legs in. Now, if you haven't learned these exercises on the mat, I probably would skip them, right? You got to learn them on the mat first, and then single straight leg stretch, pull, pull, switch, pull, pull, right? And then for double straight leg stretch, hands can go behind the head, or you can hold the corners of your spine corrector. But the goal is to see, how can I pull my ribs back so my legs go away, doesn't pull me off of my barrel. Then one knee in, one leg out for your crisscross. Make sure you stay curled up for both sides. And then, oh my goodness, it is quite the intense connections and gives us a ton of feedback, that we might not experience on the mat. Depending on how squishy your mat is, it's tempting that you won't feel that your chest is sinking down or curling up as those legs move. So this version of the ab series using your spine corrector gives us that training. So give it a try. If you have any questions, put in the comments below. I answer your questions on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time when we go live. If you're an OnlinePilatesClasses.com member, I answer your questions in our members only community, as well as give you feedback on your form and support you on your practice. We love doing that. So you can join us at OnlinePilatesClasses.com/YouTube.